Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm currently getting ready because I have a hair appointment in a little bit. It's actually really cool. I have this TikTok hair partnership that I was able to partner with my hairstylist on, and so yeah, I'm getting ready for that. My day is kind of like busy, but like not really. It's very flexible. So I have that at 10:30, which I'm very excited about because it's always a good day when you know your hair is gonna be looking good. I also want to go to the mall today, honestly, for no reason, but there is a reason, but it shouldn't be a reason. There's this Marc Jacob bag that I have been eyeing, and it finally came back in stock. I'll leave a picture on the screen of what it looks like. I absolutely do not need this bag, but just to scratch my itch, I want to try it on in person and like feel the quality of the leather, the chain, and all that to see if it would ever be worth picking up or if I should just admire the aesthetic of it online. So this is what the bag looked like, except I wanted the cream version of it. They didn't have the cream version in store, and I ended up not even showing the clip of me trying it on in store. But when I felt the quality of the bag, it really was not all that. And for the price point of $400, I feel like once you pass a certain pricing threshold, I rather just like put that money toward like a dream bag and just get like an Amazon bag that like literally felt like the same quality as this bag. It's a beautiful bag, but like it was just so small. The chain felt kind of cheap, and for $400, just not worth it. So I decided to save my money and put it toward a bag that I really, really want. Pretty expensive for a Marc Jacob bag. It's like $400. And for me, if a bag is a cute bag, it's a cute bag. Like, I'm gonna get it. However, I try to think of it like this. Do I spend the $400 or do I just hold off for like another year, 2 years, and put that money toward like another designer bag that I really want? Like Chanel bag, or honestly, the Chanel Classic Flap is like the next bag that I want to get, but that's gonna be in like another 4 years because that bag is so expensive. Anyways, I just want to scratch my itch and look at it and admire it. And then I also wanted to go to Sephora potentially to get the Laneige lip mask because my lips have been so dry as of recently. Oh, I also wanted to go into Abercrombie and try on the vegan leather pants that are supposed to be like dupes for the Milena pants by Aritzia. However, there really isn't that much of a difference in price. Abercrombie ones are, I think, like on sale right now for $80. I was gonna order them online, but I'd rather go in store, try them on in person, see if it's worth it, see if the quality is good. And then that way I could just order it online at the sale price. Oh, and then I'm meeting with my dentist later today to talk to him about social media marketing, which I thought was really cool. He had questions basically about what I did, and he wanted some insight on like how to help with his practices. So yeah, I'm gonna give him a one-on-one on social media marketing and like talk to him about how to use TikTok, Instagram Reels, all of that. That's at 5:30. I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'll see you guys at the hair salon. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing a simple white shirt. These new jeans that I actually got from Abercrombie. I'm literally loving the fit of them. They fit so nice, and they're like not too straight, not too baggy at the bottom. This is like such a good jean to wear with boots. Oh, they also come to just the perfect length, and I'm obsessed with the wash of them. These shoes are from Miss Lola, and then the shrug, I got it I think on sale at Express. Anyways, I'll see you guys at my hair appointment. Try to get like one shot, just like doing it just to play around with it to see which one I like better. Never had it before, but it was fire.
Oh, I'm glad you took some home. I forgot about that.
A salon partner, so that way like any other influencers in the area, like that would be
Literally so freaking
yeah. All the other ones were further south. It was like an hour away.
high five. Lucas got me the Dyson Airwrap.
Shut up.
He did, girl.
Oh my god. No,
I was
hoping you wouldn't be. So now I would feel.
I was very, very, very skeptical on the Dyson just because like I knew like it would have to obviously be a tool that I would only use on myself. I was not expecting it
Oh my
in the
god.
slightest bit.
Stop, that's so exciting. How did you even know to get that? Have you like brought it up? The thing that I would most want from it is like the wrap parts.
The only thing I struggled with kind of was the like you gotta get your hair dry first, and for me I do have a lip. I get to shower and put your face.
Oh, I guess I'll just have it. Maybe I can do it from like your ankle back here where I'm not, and then you can like show it and then.
Oh, what you know what you can't see is the tripod set up.
Oh, thank God I'm doing this with you. Okay, so first up was Abercrombie. I did not destroy this dressing room. It was like this when I came in. But these are the pants, and I came to the realization that leather pants are just not flattering. They give pancake butt, so I feel like I should just retire them in 2022. I just got back from meeting with my dentist. That went pretty well. Now I'm going to make some dinner. I have no idea how I want to make this. I have no rhyme or reason, and this is typically how dinner goes. I never have a recipe. I just kind of wing it and hope for the best. So I'm trying to like see what spidey senses are tingling and see also what we have, because that'll play a huge factor. So we have this rice cauliflower medley. Maybe I'll make some of this. Maybe some veggies too. Yeah, I think actually I have an idea, and I feel like this will be kind of easy. So what I'm thinking is I chop up the chicken breast, put that in the stir fry, maybe with some like teriyaki sauce, lightly season it with adobo, throw in some of these veggies. Then I'll take this pack of cauli rice, I'll put it in a rice cooker with some soy sauce. Boom, super easy meal and very healthy. Okay, so this is something that I've never talked about on my channel, but basically I would say about 4 years ago I lost 20 pounds. Which is a lot of weight now that I think about it, just by like changing my eating habits. I was doing intermittent fasting for a while. I feel like the main thing that has helped me keep off the weight, which I use very loosely because I don't go into it thinking that. I just have been trying to literally fuel my body better with ingredients that don't make me feel gross and like bloated. So anyways, with that, I've kind of have learned how to like intuitively eat and cook to the point where like I can't even explain it because I just do it. And I feel like the food that I cook is relatively healthy and it's actually pretty tasty. I don't usually share cooking recipes because I feel like I don't know, I'm not like a cook. I just know how to throw food together and hope for the best. And I also never use an actual recipe. I just kind of like go along with it. And also I don't even know if I do like the right cooking precautions, and so I hate filming content and then people like calling me out. First things first, we have our chicken breast. Oh shoot, that's too much.